Hi, fifth grade. We're going to go over the solutions for lesson 81 of grammar. We're starting on page 432. You need to have your assignment, something to correct with, and your book. Let's get started. Number 1 is docent. Number 2 is discouraged. Number 3 is salty. Number 4 is better. Number 5 is outcry. Number 6 is possessive. Number 7 is possessive. Number 8 is yours, Y-O-U-R-S. Number 9 is fewest. Number 10 is first, plural. Number 11 is whom. Number 12 is we. Number 13 is whom. Number 14 is as soon as. Number 15 is simple sentence. Number 16, whom. Number 17, that, comma, Alba can take with her. Number 18 is apologies, A-P-O-L-O-G-I-E-S. Number 19, we're going to make an appositive. We're going to use an appositive to make one sentence. Bad check, comma, the culprit, comma, has fled to another country, period. Number 20, we're going to rewrite the sentence, adding periods as needed. So our sentence is, Mr. and Mrs. Tran live at 654 South Alta Loma Drive in Austin. You need a period after Mr., after Mrs., after South, after Drive, and after Austin. Number 21 is he. Oh, no. Number 21, he is the subject. Number 22, we need to add commas and capital letters to our sentence. Our sentence is, Jenny replied, no, I have not seen bad check. We need to capitalize Jenny, no, I, bad check. We need a comma after replied and no. Number 23, we're going to rewrite our sentence, adding commas, capital letters, and quotation marks. Our sentence is, if I see a suspicious, malicious person, said Jenny, I shall call the police. We need to capitalize if, I, Jenny, I. We need a comma after suspicious, person, Jenny, and that's it. We need quotation marks from if to person and from I to police. Number 24, we need the principal parts of the verb drink. So is drinking, we add ing. Drank, D-R-A-N-K. Has drunk, D-R-U-N-K. Number 25, we need capital letters and quotation marks for the sentence. Let us hum the song, The Old Gray Mare. We need to capitalize let the old gray mare. We need quotation marks around the title of the song. So from the to mare. Number 26, we're going to rewrite our compound sentence, adding a comma before the coordinating conjunction. Our sentence is, Fido eats my pizza, yet I forgive him. So we need a comma after pizza before the coordinating conjunction yet. Number 27, we have a letter, and we need to rewrite it, adding commas and capital letters. So our letter is, Dear Officer Valiant, your mean, avaricious culprit has lived in Iceland, Belgium, and Botswana. Respectfully, Mrs. Bright, P.I. So we need to capitalize Dear Officer Valiant, your Iceland, Belgium, Botswana, respectfully, Mrs. Bright. And PI was already capitalized. You have to keep that capitalized. You need commas after valiant, mean, mean, Iceland, Belgium, respectfully, Bright. Number 28, we are going to diagram the simple subject and simple predicate of each clause in the following sentence. We must locate the culprit or he will commit another crime. So we have two subjects, two predicates, because it's a compound sentence. We've got we must locate and he will commit. For 29 and 30, we are going to diagram each word of the sentence. The first one, number 29, the mean avaricious culprit is who? So this is what our diagram should look like. Culprit is the subject. Culprit is being modified with the adjectives the, mean, avaricious. Our verb is our linking verb is, and it is linking to the predicate nominative who. So this is what our diagram looks like. Sentence 30 is a little more complicated. Mrs. Bright, a clever investigator, gave the police and me a thorough report on the culprit's former residences. So this is what your diagram should look like. Sorry, it's a little hard to read. Maybe I can get closer. So Mrs. Bright is the subject. The appositive, a clever investigator, comes after Mrs. Bright. Investigator is the main part of the appositive, so we put that in the parentheses, and the adjectives a, clever, beneath investigator. Gave is our verb. It's an action verb. The direct object is report. The indirect object, diagrammed underneath the verb, is a compound indirect object, police and me. The is diagrammed under police. It's an adjective describing it. You can't really see and the conjunction written there. It just looks like squigglies, but that's where it is. Report, the direct object, is being modified by the adjectives a, thorough, and then with the prepositional phrase on the culprit's former residences. On is the preposition, residences is the object of the preposition. The culprit's former are all adjectives modifying residences, which is why they're diagrammed beneath. So this is what your diagram should look like. Okay, those are the solutions for lesson 81. I'll see you here later, guys.